This saltwater lagoon is home to a strange reptile. A gray squirrel has found something to eat. To get to the lagoon, we must go through this coastal pine forest. A spotted turtle rests on this log, then it slides into the water. Here is a flock of mourning doves. We have finally arrived at the lagoon, and snowy egrets are the most common kind of bird here, at least at this time of year. In the 1800s, these birds were hunted for their feathers, which were used for women's hats, but now they are a species of least concern, and their population is stable. A willet sits in a dead tree, and a greater yellowlegs walks in water. This is actually a female red-winged blackbird. Snowy egrets eat fish and crustaceans, and they catch them by either standing still and waiting patiently or walking around. They often stir the mud with their feet to startle their prey. There is another larger species of egret here, the great egret. This tree is filled with egrets. On the ground is an eastern cottontail rabbit. Look at those 3 terns over there. 2 of them are least terns, which are the smallest terns in all of North America. Unfortunately, they are rare in many parts of the range because people turned their nesting habitats into beaches. In the waters, a beautiful turtle called a diamondback terrapin. Unfortunately, they are threatened by coastal development. There are 2 species of terns that look almost exactly alike, Forster's terns and common terns. This right here is almost definitely a Forster's tern due to its thicker beak and light gray plumage. In the summer, these terns spend most of their time in marshes. Eastern cottontails can be found in extremely southern Canada and the entire eastern half of the United States. A flock of birds is flying by. It is made up of glossy ibises and snowy egrets. There are 2 subspecies of willets in North America, one that breeds on the east coast and one that breeds on the west coast. One of the best ways to identify snowy egrets is they have black legs with bright yellow feet. Some more ibises are flying by. Here sits a male red-winged blackbird. They are found in both freshwater and saltwater marshes. A laughing gull is flying high in the air. Eastern cottontails are usually nocturnal, but they'll come out at the beginning or end of the day. is a group of grackles. This bird is a blue grosbeak. A group of ducks is flying by. Red-winged blackbirds eat insects and seeds. These flowers belong to a species of wild blackberry. Back in the water is a great blue heron. These ducks look halfway in between mallard ducks and black ducks. That's because they are probably a hybrid. Since black ducks and mallards are closely related, they can hybridize. A prickly pear cactus is about to bloom. Now we have arrived where the continent ends. Welcome to the Atlantic Ocean. On the beach is an Atlantic ghost crab which can be found from Rhode Island all the way down to Brazil. These crabs use hairs on the bottom of their legs to absorb water from wet sand, so they do not need to go to the water to breathe. They can mate throughout the year, and this crab has eggs. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and have a great day.